Top Microwave Chef, presented by White Castle.
Tonight is the big finale.
You guys have made it to the final. Don't, and I strongly suggest don't, make a mistake that might and probably will haunt you for the rest of your life.
Let's meet the contestants.
What I didn't expect coming on Type Microwave Chef was how I would grow as Ming, how I would find meaning to who Ming is. And you know what? I don't need this anymore, Chef Roger. Because you know what? I'm more than just this. And that makes me a winner. No matter what happens.
I'm too raw. I'm gonna win like the Marines. Who raw? Who I'm about to beat? You raw? Ming Ming. Hit the bell like ding ding. What's that thing? Are you just mad because you already lost? Are you mad because Too Raw is the boss? You say 50-50 like a coin toss? No. I think it's 100%.
Celebrity Guest Judge.
Today's celebrity guest judge is Graham Elliott. He may have lost to Bobby Flay on Iron Chef, but he has already filleted his way into our hearts.
All these other judges, these celebrity judges, they know a little bit maybe, but I know all of it.
Today's challenge is leftover Chinese food.
This is the grand finale of microwave chefing. I will be watching.
Contestants, your 3 minutes
starts now. Get microwaving.
Competition is mine, me. You going down, bruh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The microwave has spoken.
Too raw. I thought your dish lacked depth and character.
What? Alright. First off, let me tell you something, bruh. This does not like
I'm not your brah. I'm a judge.
Let me tell you something, Judge. This represents my block, okay? That's my roots, alright? Too Raw came from the block, and I'm going on that winner's block.
Hello, Ming.
Hi. You know, I feel like I would do really well in the Chinese or the Asian challenge because several of my foster, pre-adoptive, and adopted children are Asian.
This tastes bad in my mouth.
That's cute.
If you think it's cute, I'll try it again.
Yeah, try it.
I think it's good from her mouth.
This could change someone's life. We have to take this seriously.
Somebody has to go home.
Los judges have spoken.
Ming, your performance in the competition has been up and down like a yo-yo. From very strong.
That's amazing. Look at this. Thank you.
To pretty weak.
Thought I was gonna shit out everything. Don't let that happen again.
Tell me some of the sounds that you hear from your microwave when you use it.
Beep, boop, 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 beep, beep, boop, bing.
Chura, what have you learned about yourself during this process?
You know what I'm saying? I learned that I'm real persistent. I can persevere through obstacles. Whether it's weirdos touching my food, whether it's traumatic experiences induced by popcorn. It's a lot of things that I had to go through.
Time's up.
Tura, Ming, one of you is going home.
2 Raw. Ming. Ming. 2 Raw. 2 Raw.
Ming. Tura! Congratulations, you are the top microwave chef.
Yeah, baby, yeah. See, I knew it. I'm bringing food to your hood. Come here, man. Come here.
Part of me feels like it should have been me, and it wasn't. And I'll have to live with that.
Make sure to subscribe to #Parody to check out next week's episode because you don't want to miss any of this. And if you want to laugh some more, check out our other videos here.